here. We are always drive on the right side. Stay behind the truck.
I thought it is park. Okay.
No, it's not parking. It's driving.
Okay, if we are parking, we need to on the light.
It's parking then, no? Some cars have hazard light on. It's so tight. You scratch them here on the border. So the bus have the preference. No, the bus has the hazard light and follow the bus. No, you stay here this line and go. So the next lamp, we turn right. The next lamp, we turn right. Yeah, you come too close on the right. So here you can find the symbols on the ground. The road traffic, the road signs, and we turn. Okay, that's not easy. Okay. Stay in your line. Find confidence. You have preference. You are here on the main road. No? In front of you have seen the square sign. No? Here you have the square sign. No? The yellow one. The yellow. And follow the dotted line. You have seen that. No? And drive. The speed limit is 50 here.